Enjoying pigeon. Beautiful line here. Every morning they come here. There are tons of them. All I love them. For me, they are symbol of peace. Wow, they are fantastic. Love them. I cannot see all of them with the. Maybe I can go like that. Wow, that's so good. I enjoy the view. Ah, I think there one is white right there. This guy, this one, white. The camera is not so good. I think the third one, and all of them have same color except one. I don't know how it happened. Every morning they come here. Let me go. Hi guys, they're doing great here. Beautiful. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19, 20. Oh my god, there are hundreds of them. Beautiful. They're all lining up from here to right there. Oh wow, what a beautiful long line. And then some other are coming too. Come on. Sit down. Yes. Perfect. Let me just take one photo. I cannot even capture in one shot. They are a lot.